We're going to watch a small segment of a high school science lesson.
So it says here, for some diseases, public health officials, such as the CDC, must identify the original carrier or index case. Note that. This person is sometimes referred to as Typhoid Mary. Everybody find a partner. Steph, you got somebody? So everybody's got a partner, right? Go ahead and exchange your body fluids. Now, you guys are going to need to, in writing up this lab, write down the names of all the infected students in class, and then make a chart of all the contacts each infected person made. You guys are the public health officials, just like in the video we saw last week when Ebola broke out in Kikwit and you got people dying, and you're trying to figure out who was the original carrier or index case. How are you going to come up with a method to try and interpret this data or analyze it? Could any of the people on the left-hand side, Zach, James, Will, Joe, blah, 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 could any of them have been the index case, or are there some we could eliminate as possible index cases?
James.
Why do you say James, Aaron?
Because he had contact with Brendan H. and Mrs. Roberts, and they didn't have it, so he had to have gotten it like the third time.
I didn't have it, so if James was the original carrier, I would have picked it up, right? And the same for Brendan H. from him. So different color. Would you just put a diagonal line through James's name? Because we know although he has it, he's not the original case of it. Peter?
Well, my test tube was like busy, so I think I was the original person. Did anybody else have bubbles?
Yeah, mine was too. I didn't have it.
Scratch that.
So, if Sam, or if James didn't get it from me or you.
Me.
Yeah, then she had to get it from Sam, so we have to go to Sam's first person.
Did you guys hear what he said? Okay.
Can't
Trina?
we eliminate Chris because he didn't infect Catherine?
Ooh, Catherine didn't have it. So Chris couldn't have had it.
Well, yeah, question mark.
And then we know for sure he couldn't have been an index case then. Do you agree with that rationale?
This segment is very interesting, partly because of the activity the kids do, but also because of the discussion that ensues. Every student seemed to be involved in this discussion, and the teacher used the discussion format highly effectively, in my opinion, to deepen the students' understanding of how disease gets transmitted through a population.